Welcome back. Today's maths video is Year 5 Place Value End of Unit Assessment. You will be needing a pen and a piece of paper. After each question, please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. So, let's get to the video. Here we have our first question. We are asked to find out what number is represented below. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 ones, 1 10, 9 100s, 6 1000s, and 1 10,000. Now we've got to write this out. So in the 10,000s column, we've only got 1. In the 1000s column, we've got 6. In the hundreds column, we've got 9. In the tens column, we've got 1. In the ones column, we've got 5. So the answer is 16,915. Now for the second part of the question, Georgia says that the number is a multiple of 5. Is Georgia correct? Explain your answer. We know that a multiple of 5 ends in a 5 or a 0. And this number here ends in a 5, so it is a multiple of 5. We can also check it by doing the bus stop method. So 16,915 divided by 5. 5 into 1 is 0. 5 into 6 goes once with a remainder of 1. 5 into 19 goes 3 times with a remainder of 4. 5 into 41 is 8 times with a remainder of 1. 5 into 15 is 3. So as you can see, it divides easily without a remainder. So our answer here would be yes, Georgia is correct because 16,915 can be divided by 5. Question 2. Complete the missing numbers. Here we have 3. And we also have a 3 here in the ones column. Then we have 600 here. And we also have 6 in the hundreds column. We've got 40,000 here. And we've also got 4 in the 10,000s column. Now we are left with the thousands column and the tens column. In the tens column it's 0, so we can cross that out as well. Now we're left with the 1000s column, which says 7. So that means that we need to add on 7,000. Now for the next one, we've got 50,000, so that will be 5 in the tens column. Then we've got 3 in the hundreds column, 7 in the tens column, and 4 in the ones column. We don't have any thousands, so we can just put our 0 here. So 300, 3 in the hundreds column, 70, 7 in the tens column, 4 and 4 in the ones column. Next question. 80,000, so that would be 8 in the 10,000 column. We can cross that out. Now we've got 7,000, so that would be 7 in the 1000s column. So here we have 8. So if we take away it by 7, we get 1. So we have 1 left in the thousands column and 3 in the hundreds column. So our answer would be 1,300. Question 3. In a game, people have some play money to buy houses. Each person starts with the following play money. How much money do they start with? So we have 2 1000s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 10,000s, and 4 100,000s. Now we're going to write this out. So 4 in the 100,000s column, 5 in the 10,000s column, 2 in the 1000s column. Then we don't have any hundreds or tens or ones, so we can just place a 0 in their position. Question 4. Circle all the numbers that round to 4,750 to the nearest 10. Now when we're rounding, if the ones column is the number 1, 2, 3 or 4, we round down. But if the number in the ones column is 5, 6, 7 or 8, we round up. So here the ones column is a 2, so we're going to round down. So it would be 4,750. This one, because it's an 8, we're going to round up. So this would be 750. Next one, we're going to round up again, 4,750. This one also rounds up, 4,750. But this one also rounds up, 4,760. Now it's asked us to circle all the numbers that round to 4,750. This one rounds, so we can circle this one. This one isn't, because we need a 4,000 here, so not that one. This one does, and also this one. Question 5. What is the missing number? So we have 300,000, so that would be 3 in the 100,000 column. Then we've got 700, so that would be 7 in the 100th column. Here we have zeros, we can cross those out as well. And here. Now we're left with 5 in the 1,000th column. So the answer here would be 5,000. Question 6. Which is the greatest number? Explain your answer. So in Roman numerals, C equals 100, X equals 10, and the I equals 1. So we've got a 10 here, a 100 here, a 1 and a 10. So here that we have the 100, because we've got an X first, that means we're going to do 100 minus 10, that gives us 90. Then we have a 10 and a 1, because the 1 is before the X, we'd also minus it, so 10 minus 1 is 9. So because we add the 90 and the 9, that will give us 99. Here we have the X after the C, so that would mean plus. So 100 plus 10 give us 110. So this is the greatest number. Number 7. What numbers are shown by the arrows? So we've got to first see how many lines there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here we've got 50,000 and 60,000. So in between here we're adding 10,000. And there's 10 lines. So if we do 10,000 divided by 10, we can work out what each of these lines represents. 10,000 divided by 10, when we divide by 10 we just take 1 0 off, that would give us 1,000. So each of these lines are going up by 1,000 each time. So 51,000, 52,000, 53,000, 54,000, 55,000, 56,000. So the answer would be 56,000. Now for this one, we've got 500,000 and 600,000, so we're adding by 100,000. And there's how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divide by 10 would give us 10,000. So each of these lines represents 10,000. So 510,000, 520,000, 530,000, 540,000, 550,000, 560,000. The zeros are the most important thing here. So make sure that you have the right amount of zeros. So 560,000. Question 8. Complete the following using greater than, less than, or equal to. So we know that the triangle here, this triangle shape, the one with the big mouth is kind of like a crocodile. It eats the bigger number. So here we've got 12,900 and 2,980. The bigger number is this one, so we want it to eat that one. So our crocodile is going to face that way. Here, these two numbers, this one is the bigger number, so we're going to let the crocodile eat that one. And here, 1 million is bigger than 999,999, so we're going to let it eat that one. Question 9. Arrange the digit cards to make an odd number between 70,000 and 100,000. Now, the number that you're going to make is going to start with either an 8 or a 9. So I'm going to make my number now. 8, 6, 4, 9, 1. And it also needs to end in either a 1 or a 9 because they're odd numbers, but 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. So it either has to start with an 8 or a 9 and it has to end in a 1 or a 9. So I've done mine here. Now you're going to round your number to the nearest 1,000. So we're going to look at our hundreds column to round. Mine's a 4. So if it's a 1, 2, 3 or 4, you round down. My answer would be 86,000. Now we're going to round your number to the nearest 10,000. So we're looking at the 1,000s column, and because it's 6, we're going to round up. So my answer is going to be 90,000. Question 10. Complete the missing numbers. We're going to work out what each time it's going up by. So here, it's gone from 19 to 10,019. So we've added 10,000. So if we add 10,000 each time, 10,019 add 10,000, we would get 20,019. Then we've added another 10,000 to get to 30,019. If we add another 10,000, we would get to 40,019. And if we add another 10,000, we would get to 50,019. Question 11. Put the following weights in order starting from the smallest. So here we have 700,000 kilograms, 87,000 kilograms, 94,000 kilograms, 399,458 kilograms. I'm going to first start off with writing this as a number, so 94,000 kilograms. The smallest here is this one, so B. The next biggest is C. The next biggest is D. And the biggest of them all is A. Question 12. The thermometer shows the temperature in London in May. In January, the temperature was 20 degrees colder. What was the temperature in London in January? So on the thermometer, it shows that the temperature is 17 degrees Celsius because it is between 16 and 18, that's 17. So it's 17 degrees Celsius now. But in January, it was 20 degrees colder, so we're going to minus 20 degrees. So the answer is -3 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.